Dear students, in this video, we shall be studying about amines, its introduction, classification of amines, nomenclature of amines, and methods of preparation of amines. These are the sum of compounds which consist of amines. Benadryl, which is an antihistaminic drug, adrenaline, used to increase the blood pressure, novocaine, which is an anesthetic drug. So all these compounds are amines. Let us consider the definition of amines. Amines are the organic derivatives of ammonia in which 1, 2 or all the 3 hydrogen atoms which are attached to nitrogen are replaced by the equivalent number of same or different alkyl and or aryl groups. For example, CH3NH2 methylamine, C6H5NH2 benzenamine or aniline. Third one, CH3NHCH3 dimethylamine. Amines are the organic derivatives of ammonia in which 1, 2 or all the 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by the equivalent number of same or different alkyl and or aryl groups. Now consider the ammonia molecule. On the right side, we can observe all the hydrogens of the ammonia are being replaced by alkyl groups. R, R dash, R double dash are the alkyl or aryl groups. Structure of amines. Electronic configuration of nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. One 2s orbital combines with the 3 2p orbitals to form 4 identical sp3 hybridized orbitals with pyramidal shape. Out of the 4 sp3 hybridized orbital, one sp3 orbital contains a lone pair of electrons. The 3 sp3 orbitals with single electron each overlaps with hybridized orbitals of carbons or orbitals of hydrogens to form bond. In general, bond angle in sp3 hybridized orbitals is 109 degree 28 minutes, but in amines, due to repulsion between lone pair and bond pair electrons, bond angle of carbon, nitrogen, carbon decreases to 108 degree. So let us consider classification of amines. Amines can be classified into primary amines, secondary amines and tertiary amines. General formula for primary amines are NH2. For example, C2H5NH2 ethylamine. If one hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by alkyl and or aryl, we get RNH2 or aromatic NH2 as primary amines. Secondary amines general formula RNH R dash. For example, CH3NHCH3 dimethylamine. If two hydrogen atoms of ammonia or one hydrogen atom of RNH2 replaced by alkyl or aryl group, we get RNH R dash. Tertiary amines, general formula RN R dash R double dash. So for example, triethylamine. Three hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by three same or different alkyl or aryl groups. Amines can be classified into symmetrical or simple amines and unsymmetrical or mixed amines. Further, symmetrical amines consist of same alkyl or aryl groups which are attached to nitrogen. For example, C2H5NH, diethylamine, CH3NCH3CH3, trimethylamine. Whereas unsymmetrical or mixed amines, different alkyl or aryl groups are attached to nitrogen. For example, CH3NH, ethyl methylamine. Second example, C2H5NCH3, diethyl methylamine. As discussed earlier, classification of amines in primary, secondary and the tertiary. So let's study about the nomenclature of amines. In common system, an aliphatic amine is named by prefixing alkyl group to amine, that is alkyl amines as one word. In secondary and tertiary amines, when two or more groups are the same, the prefix di or tri is appended before the name of alkyl group. In IUPAC system, amines are named as alkane amine derived by replacement of E of alkane by the word amine. Primary amines, common system alkyl amine, IUPAC system alkane amine. So let us consider some of the examples. First one, CH3NH2, common name methylamine, IUPAC name methanamine. Second example, CH3CH2NH2, ethyl amine, IUPAC name ethanamine. Third example, CH3CH2CH2NH2, N-propyl amine or normal propyl amine. So the straight chain propyl group which is attached to primary amine. IUPAC name propane-1 amine. Fourth example, CH3CH3NH2. So common name isopropyl amine. Isopropyl group which is attached to amine. So the name is isopropyl amine. IUPAC name propane-2 amine. Primary amine NH2 is attached at second carbon atom. So it is called as propane-2 amine. So fifth example, NH2 CH2 CH double bond CH2. Common name allylamine. IUPAC name prop2ene one amine. Primary amine NH2 is attached to first carbon atom and double bond starts from second carbon atom. Thus, the name is pro-2-ene 1-amine. In aryl amines, NH2 group is directly attached to the benzene ring. In common system, it is known as aniline. In IUPAC system, suffix E of arene is replaced by amine, that is C6H5NH2 is named as benzene amine. For example, when phenyl ring is bonded to primary amine NH2, common name is aniline or phenylamine. IUPAC name is benzene amine. Second example, when benzene ring is bonded to amine functional group and at ortho position methyl group is present. So common name is orthotoluidine. IUPAC name 2-amino-toluene. At second position, amine group is there with respect to the parent toluene molecule. Third example, when benzene ring is bonded to methylene group, in turn linked to primary amine NH2. So the common name is benzylamine. Benzene with the CH2 called as benzyl, amine with NH2. IUPAC name is phenyl methane amine. Let us consider secondary amines. First example, CH3NHCH3, common name dimethyl amine, IUPAC name N-methyl methanamine. Second example, CH3CH2NHCH3, common name ethyl methyl amine, IUPAC name N-methyl ethanamine. Third example, C6H5NHC6H5, common name diphenyl amine, IUPAC name N-phenyl benzene amine. Let us consider tertiary amines. First example, CH3NCH3CH3, common name trimethyl amine, IUPAC name NN-dimethyl methanamine. Let's consider second example, C2H5NCH3CH3, common name ethyl dimethyl amine, IUPAC name NN-dimethyl ethanamine. Third example, phenyl ring is bonded to amine, in turn linked with both the methyl groups. Common name is dimethyl phenyl amine, IUPAC name NN-dimethyl benzene amine. One of the note, in case more than one amino group is present at different positions in the parent chain, their positions are specified by giving numbers to the carbon atoms bearing amine groups and suitable prefix such as di, tri, etc. is attached to the amine. The letter E of the suffix of the hydrocarbon part is retained. For example, NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2, which is named as ethane 1,2-diamine. On the either side of the parent chain, the presence of amine groups are there. at first position and at the second position. So the name is ethane 1,2-diamine. Now let us consider methods for the preparation of amines. Amines can be prepared from three different methods. The first method is by reduction, second from alkyl halides, third from amides. So let us study about the first method, that is by reduction. It can be further be divided in three different types: reduction of nitro compounds, reduction of cyanides, and reduction of amides. Let us discuss in detail about reduction of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds are reduced to amines. Nitro functional group from the reactant is reduced to amine functional group, primary amine functional group. Nitro compounds are reduced to amines by passing hydrogen gas in the presence of finely divided nickel, palladium, or platinum. Let us consider reaction when nitromethane is reduced by hydrogen in the presence of palladium and ethanol as solvent. Formation of methylamine occurs. Second reaction, when nitrobenzene is reduced by using hydrogen and palladium in alcohol, formation of aniline occurs. Nitro compounds are also reduced with metals in acidic medium. Third reaction, nitrobenzene is reduced by using tin with hydrochloric acid or iron with hydrochloric acid. Formation of aniline occurs. Now let us consider second method for reduction is reduction of cyanides. Nitriles or cyanides on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or catalytic hydrogenation produce primary amines. This reaction is also known as Mendeus reduction. Nitrile or cyanide functional group is reduced to CH2NH2 as amines. Let us consider general reaction when alkyl nitrile is reduced by using hydrogen in presence of nickel or lithium aluminum hydride to form primary amines. Let us consider one reaction when ethane nitrile is reduced by using sodium metal in alcohol. The formation of ethyl amine occurs. Second reaction, when benzonitrile or phenyl cyanide is reduced by sodium metal in ethanol, formation of benzylamine occurs. Third method for the reduction of amides. Amides on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis yield amines. Amide functional group is reduced to primary amine functional group. Let us understand the general reaction which explains about reduction of amides. When amides are reduced with lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis, it gives primary amine. Let us consider one equation. When acetamide is reduced by using lithium aluminium hydride followed by hydrolysis, it gives ethyl amine. In second reaction, when benzamide is reduced with lithium aluminium hydride and hydrolysis, which gives benzyl amine. Thank you, students. Rest of the portion we can continue in next video.